Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Cooke County in north central Texas until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lindsay, or 7 miles west of Gainesville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gainesville around 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 501 and 503. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Love County and southern Oklahoma until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles northwest of Lindsay, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Thackerville. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 0 and 13. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.